Microsoft plans to use MTTV airwaves to beam internet in rural US. Microsoft is looking to turn ordinary school buses into internet-enabled hotspots in an experiment that's aimed at helping students in rural Michigan do their homework. The company wants to use MTTV airwaves to beam high-speed internet signals to buses in Hillman, Michigan, as they travel to and from school, according to regulatory filings submitted Wednesday to the Federal Communications Commission. The proposed deployment would help by providing high-speed wireless internet access on school buses as they complete their morning and afternoon routes, the filing reads. This will allow students without suitable connections at home to complete assignments that require broadband internet access while they are on their way to and from school. Microsoft needs special government permission for the demo, because it plans to operate wireless equipment at a power level that could otherwise interfere with other communications. But, it said, the equipment will shut off automatically if the buses stray outside of the designated test area. Google will now let musicians to post updates directly to search results. This update is an expansion of the Posts on Google feature that the company first rolled out for big companies and celebrities in 2016, and included local businesses last year. Posting on Google is a new way to share relevant, fresh content with the people who are searching for you. Use images, videos and even animated GIFs to engage your audience, and add inline links to drive traffic to specific content. This enhanced format allows searchers to hear directly from the primary source, you, and complements existing results from across the web, is how Google describes the feature. The updates would show up inside Musicians' Knowledge Panel, a card that pops up and displays information when a user searches for famous people in Google search. Concern over China's potential influence and rising U.S. protectionist sentiment hangs over an effort by California-based Qualcomm to repel a Singaporean firm's hostile takeover bid. If finalized, a tie-up between Broadcom and Qualcomm would be worth an estimated $117 billion, roughly Rs. 7.6 lakh crores, and potentially the biggest ever deal in the tech sector. But Qualcomm rejected multiple Broadcom offers during weeks of parries and thrusts between the two firms since the proposed deal emerged in November. In the latest move, Qualcomm, which makes most of the world's microprocessors for smartphones, postponed until April 5 an annual shareholders meeting set for this week after secretly requesting a national security review of Broadcom's bid. Mi Mix2s, the next flagship smartphone from Xiaomi, will be launched by the company on March 27. While Xiaomi had already noted that the Mi Mix2s will be the company's first handset with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, not many official details have been available about it. However, the Chinese company has now let out a teaser which confirms the presence of wireless charging technology support on the Mi Mix2s. Xiaomi has tipped the feature via its official Weibo account. The teaser posted on the website does not mention wireless charging explicitly. However, the image in the poster contains a text which translates to "not just" alongside a symbol which is similar to Qualcomm's quick charge technology. Also present in the picture is a battery charging sign and a device which appears to be a charging pad. All of the above points to fast charging as well as wireless charging support. It remains to be seen if Xiaomi will ship the smartphone bundled with the charging pad or not. Samsung has revealed the rollout timeline of Android 8.0 Oreo update for some of its smartphones, in the same week that the Android P Developer Preview 1 was released. The South Korean smartphone manufacturer posted a list of handsets as well as a timeline on when they will receive the Android Oreo update. As of now, Samsung has rolled out the update only on Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus smartphones. Also, Samsung's latest flagships, Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, come with Android 8.0 out of the box. However, as per the latest report, handsets like the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy S7, Galaxy S7 Edge, Galaxy A7 2017, Galaxy A5 2017, and Galaxy A3 2017 will get the latest Android OS soon. The Galaxy Note 8 will be the first of the handsets which will get the Android 8.0 Oreo. March 30th has been marked as the date for pushing the update, after which Galaxy Note 8 users will be able to update their handsets from Android Nougat to Android Oreo. The next smartphones in line to receive the update will be Samsung's Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S7 Edge. The update for these smartphones will start on April 13th.